growth of this country. In 1976, I was able to be, as a single mother, to afford to go to school. I had free dental, free eyeglasses, free medical, and I made $9.17 an hour as a grocery store checker. Look what's happening to people now. They don't even make that much money, and think of all the inflation there's been since then. We need our unions, and we need to get them back.
We need more unions.
I'm Miley, and I'm a 7th grader at Hamilton Middle School. This morning I woke up not expecting for anything. My parents didn't want me to come down here, and I had a talk with my teacher, who was very teary-eyed. And together, as a class, we called our parents, and we walked here over 5 miles. Yeah, that was our class for Bayad. Scott Walker doesn't realize that he's affecting all of us. My parents will not be affected by the bill, but we feel very strongly against it. We need to stand strong. We need to stand together. We are the people. I've lived in Wisconsin my whole life, born and raised. And I am proud to say that I am from here because I am Wisconsin. You are Wisconsin. We are Wisconsin.
Alright. So, as a rule of thumb, I don't pay much attention to the Tea Party. So, when I came here with this flag, someone told me maybe you shouldn't have this flag because the Tea Party uses this flag. And I said, why? Why do they use this flag? Do we all know what this flag stands for? Yeah. It means we will not be tread upon by the powers that be. Yeah. We will not be tread upon. That's what this flag means. And I lost my train of thought. I don't do this a lot. So, a lot of people come up to this mic have said, I am not personally affected by this bill, but I still do not want it to pass. Well, me and my father want to run a woodworking business together. We are not public employees. But I gotta tell you, we are getting hit hard by this bill. This is causing a lot of strife. And for the next 2 years, all we'll have is bickering. Scott Walker has galvanized all of us.
That's right.
And for the next 2 years, it'll be very difficult for us to get anything done. This is not the kind of thing that a local state government should be doing. This is not the kind of thing we should support. We have to be out here. We have to kick Scott Walker out.